It's time to redefine the center of your digital life. Introducing Seagate Backup Plus Hub, packed with up to 8 terabytes of high-capacity storage and a modern vertical design for a minimal footprint. 2 forward-facing intelligent USB 3.0 ports, so you can charge devices or access their content. Back up, connect, recharge. Seagate Backup Plus Hub.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, Kingston is right there with you. With technology products that empower innovation, Kingston is with you all the way. With you every day. From morning to night. With you on the ground and in flight. With you where you work and helping you find your way. Kingston is everywhere you are. We make the technology products that make products like this and these possible. So you can see, so you can hear, and so you can experience the modern world in which we live. Kingston, we're with you everywhere.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Greg with ASUS. We are at CES 2019, and in this video, I want to show you our latest Chromebook flip. This is the C434. Now, its predecessor, the C302, was arguably the best Chromebook on the market, but we think that the best just got better. The Chromebook Flip C434 has all the features of the Chrome OS that make it an ideal laptop solution. Fast startup, extensive virus protection, and access to all your favorite apps on the Google Play Store. Now, powering this Chromebook, you'll find up to an Intel Core i7-8500Y processor, up to 8 GB of LPDDR3 memory, and a 120 GB SSD. It also features 802.11ac Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. At just 15.7 millimeters thin and weighing only 3.3 pounds, it's the perfect travel companion whether you're exploring the globe or just heading out to your local coffee shop. The 14-inch display features a 4-way nano edge bezel, giving it an 87% screen-to-body ratio. Also, with a 360-degree hinge and multi-touch display, the C434 can easily be converted from a laptop to a tablet and anything in between. Even with the narrow bezels, we were able to include an HD web camera to help you easily connect to your friends and family. Whether you're working in the Google Cloud or you're a college student trying to finish your latest paper, the C434 has you covered. With up to a 10-hour battery life, you can be sure that this Chromebook will work as hard as you do. All of these features are protected by the aluminum chassis, which provides a premium look and feel, as well as helping with durability. So that is the ASUS Chromebook Flip C434. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
As a kid, I used to wonder what the faraway places of the world looked like. As an adult, I love that I get the chance to answer that question every day. Being a traveling photographer, the lifestyle is all about being in the present moment. It makes me appreciate the little details that I never really looked at. I'm living on the road. I don't have a comfortable house and a hot shower to warm up every morning. But there's nothing like the freedom of waking up and saying, I can go anywhere I want today. When I look at my photos, I don't just see that image, I remember what it took to get to that spot. It makes it that much more special. My photos are what I take away from each experience. They're my memories, so to me, they're the most important things that I have.
Toshiba, leading innovation.